Wow. Wow.
この先一時停止があります。
Hey guys, Konnichiwa and Magandang hapon. And for the maybe people from Cebu or Ilo and other different places, Mayang hapon. Actually, I'm already here right in front of the spot. I'm gonna try to have some amazingly great food, but there's something I gotta apologize, guys. As some of you guys can recognize, it actually said Korean food, Hango, right? So which means, guys, I'm gonna try to find out if there is any Japanese food I can order here. But please forgive me if there's any case. Yes, I have to order something Korean. This is the private room. So I'm gonna show you guys the 360 degrees. And these are so clean. Look at these facilities. So you got a water. Basically, these are self-service, but you also have the napkins and the chopsticks, and also the scissors and the cup, the water, fresh water. And the other side, this is a special sauce, and also some different like the spices, like the pepper and salt. And guys, this is a beauty place. You're not going to try to call the waiter or waitress by yourself. You're going to just manipulate, control this big remote, like look like a tablet, right? So, guys, now I'm going to try to order with this tablet, and hopefully I can meet expectation, and I can show you guys a lot of very exciting things more. Let's order. So this is basically the special menu only for each day. So if you'd like to order something very reasonable, rather than you just order yes from this menu, honestly, I strongly recommend you guys, you will just go with this 699 yen Higawari lunch, daily lunch menu. So since I introduced this reasonable great meal, I'm gonna try to go with Higawari, right? So when you look at when you look at the top of the page of these tablets, you're gonna find Higawari. Okay, right here, guys. You found it. So let me try to click this first. So right here, done. See, guys. It just says 699 yen, excluded tax. So it's gonna be a little bit over like yes, 700 something yen, but still it's kind of really cheap. So you don't need to make any complicated action because this is it, right? So there's an orange button on the right bottom of the corner. So I want to just click this one. Alright guys, so I just got this amazingly beautiful, delicious lunch meal. And guys, unbelievably it's only 699 yen. As I mentioned, yes, the tax was excluded, but still it's so super reasonable. And I recommend you guys really try this one, guys. Alright, and chopsticks is actually not even food. They're kind of the metal or the plastic. Because this is a Korean barbecue restaurant, so I don't think it's all they give us the good chopsticks. This is a metal one. Alright guys, so if you like to just follow the basic Japanese meal style, I recommend you guys to try to start drinking the soup first. So, itadakimasu. Oh my god. Amazing. Ooh. Actually, from this morning, the temperature is really going down. It was even less than 10 degrees Celsius. So, it looks like, guys, inside of this soup, you can see some tiny green radish. Right here, the chopped one, very small one. And also, this is the main ingredients. You can see the very healthy, beautifully spankly green seaweed. So let's try to taste it. Wow. It smells amazing and also very chewy. And obviously seaweed is very healthy. Alright, here's next. If you like to be a very healthy person, I definitely recommend you guys to try to go with veggie. Right? I know, you guys want to use in a ration, you guys want to start eating this one, but this will be the last things you can touch, so no touching. So, let's look at the salads. We got the cabbage at the bottoms, and also some chopped cucumbers, and also the tomatoes, they beautifully cut them up, and some onions, and lettuce. So looks like we can see around 5 to 6 different veggies in this one tiny white bowl. Alright, itadakimasu. Out. This is the beef, the roasted beef, and also a lot of kimchi, and also we can find some green radish on the right top of the white rice, and also yes, a bunch of this of the white rice on the bottom. So guys, first of all, I'm not gonna try to mix them up, yes, because I like to just enjoy their natural taste. So I'm gonna just try to eat only this meat. Itadakimasu. Wow. 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 Wait, guys, I need a little extra time to describe how it was great. It was so tender and smooth, but very sensitive and delicate. Wow, it's not rough at all. Even though yes, the chunk of this meat yes is really huge actually, right? You can compare with my fingers. Alright, one more bite. Wow. And this is a beauty. It tastes amazing. Can you guys actually feel the sounds? It's so chewy also. Every time when I try to chew the meat, some juicy sauce is coming from inside of the meal. But this oily sauce is not that annoying at all. It's really, really fresh. It smells really nice. It's considerably appetizing. It's stimulating the appetite. And also, kimchi. Some guys know about me, yes, a little bit about me, but yes, since I grown up in Korea, so kimchi is one of my soul food. I really love eating kimchi. This kimchi is amazing. The spiciness and the saltiness and also the sweetness are beautifully well balanced. And guys, there is something I want to try. Meat. Then kimchi. I'm gonna try to wrap this meat with kimchi, right? Like this. Oh my god. And also, obviously, you shouldn't forget about the green radish, like this. Alright, let's go. Wow. It's so good. Wow. Oh, guys, I was completely forgetting about the soup and the salad. And this thing is amazing. And yes, I'm going to keep repeatedly telling you guys, this is still 699 yen. So, if you are just having a hard time to decide the place for grabbing the meal, the lunch, you need to worry about it. Just come over here, Kankokuen. Alright guys, so that's it for today's videos. And if you loved our video, please make sure to subscribe. Oh, and please don't forget give us any comments and turn notification on. I really hope I can see you guys in the next episode. Your happiness is my happiness. Kankokuen saya.